Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so today is, what is today?
Friday.
Today is construction day, aka career day, right?
Yes.
So I awarded you those tools. Show grandma,
So, Grandma, here's my two.
turn them around. So I'm going, all right, kids, open your bags. And I will give you your tool bucket. So in this bucket you will keep your tools and you will not lose them. Right? This is Jett's bucket.
Thank you. I go. Yeah, that's very control. Yeah, that's very control. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Whoa, this fit me. Look here. What the heck? Hey. Look here, bro.
Put the tools in your bucket.
Where's my bucket? Look.
Remember now, do not lose any tools. Don't mix up on the tools within each other. Keep on your own tools in a bucket. Come, Gino, put your tools in your bucket.
Gino, put on your arm. Put on your arm. Here, please. Here, my screw. Here, tools. Hammer, my dad. Knife. Yo. A toy knife. Whoa, look, Jett. We did ask Mommy everything. Said, Mom, when we did that shit, we asked her, so we did one toy knife. And she buy me one. Then she buy me one screwdriver. Yes, the screwdriver. The screwdriver. How about this? Yeah. See? Yeah, this. Yo, sit on my screw and then for work. Yeah. The tip is not real. That was screw. No, my heart will drop on from me. I might have a piano. Come on, take over the bucket. What head to Gino car? Ready, Gino? Good job. I got driver now. You go on the road, Gino. Go in your car. Get your bucket. Get it on. Let's go.
All right. So they're going to work now.
Yeah. Come. Let's go. Let's go to the car. See there? This is small. Cool. But all I got 15 is cool. That plate was that. And all I got 15 is Jett. I just one person I forgot Jett. Yo. She shot not them now. She shot not them now. Gino, what you shot not them now? Walk side. Alright, Gino. Now, we're going to pull it door. Yeah? Lift it up. Lift up the door. Lift it up by the door. Yeah. Whoa. Gina, you almost smashed me. Let me drive. Yeah, baby. Can I give me some space? Some space? Let me drive. Come here. Come on. What is your bucket for my one? Let me do it now. Gina, press the brake. Lift this up and make it back. Watch. Yo, see key something here. We want to borrow mommy key. We can borrow mommy key. Wait there. Mommy. No, Mommy, we can borrow your key. I need a key for it. Excuse. Pull it away. Mommy, we can borrow your key.
Is that Karen going in? Is that driving in to school for career day?
Let's go. better drop off. Yo, Gino, I'm the watch the radio. Outside. What's that song on the Gino radio? It mash up. No, the battery done. No, it mash up. Oh. It can make good song, Gino? Make what
But you have to charge up first.
No.
Alright,
It's
so
for
ready
time.
for school, ready for work now, Cub? Come.
Yeah, we have work. What about it? The bucket. Come do work. Gino. What a bucket now? Come, we have work for do. Well, we are angle up one bucket. We have work for do. Let's go to work. Come, Gino. Wait there. Yeah, the door is for angle up for the gate. Let's go. Never me pull it. Thank you. Alright, picnic. Alright, picnic. Come over for do. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. You mean to work? Let's hit the road for work. I'm going
Okay.
to put my hair. Yo, let's try a tool.